Today we are going to learn about boosting model performance with quantization techniques, focusing on how to apply model quantization to enhance inference speed and efficiency. By the end of this video, you will have the skills to implement quantization techniques, optimizing AI models for lower latency and power usage across various hardware platforms. Welcome to this educational video on boosting model performance with quantization techniques. In this segment, we'll briefly introduce what model quantization is. Quantization is a technique that involves reducing the precision of a model's weights and activations, typically from 32-bit floating point to 8-bit integers. This reduction can significantly improve the efficiency and speed of AI models during inference, making it particularly important as models grow in complexity. Throughout this video, we will explore the benefits of quantization, different types of quantization, practical implementation steps, and real-world case studies. By the end, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to apply quantization to enhance the performance of your AI models. Let's delve deeper into the concept of model quantization. At its core, quantization reduces the precision of the numbers used to represent a neural network's parameters and activations. By converting high-precision floating-point numbers to lower-precision integers, we achieve a lighter model that runs faster and consumes less memory. This is particularly beneficial for deploying models on devices with limited computational resources, such as mobile phones and IoT devices. Quantization can be performed at various stages of the model lifecycle, and understanding when and how to apply these techniques is crucial for optimizing model performance. In this segment, we will cover the fundamentals of precision reduction and how it leads to performance gains in AI models.
Quantization offers several benefits that make it a valuable technique in AI model optimization, especially during inference. Firstly, by reducing the size of the model, quantization speeds up inference, enabling faster decision-making processes. This is critical in real-time applications such as autonomous driving and interactive AI systems. Secondly, quantization decreases the memory footprint of models, allowing them to fit into memory-constrained environments like smartphones and embedded systems. Additionally, quantized models consume less power, making them ideal for battery-operated devices. These enhancements not only improve deployment capability across diverse hardware platforms but also extend the reach of AI technologies into edge devices. In this block, we'll explore these benefits in detail and discuss how they contribute to efficient AI solutions. Model quantization can be broadly categorized into two types: post-training quantization and quantization-aware training. Post-training quantization involves applying quantization techniques to a fully trained model, making it an easy and quick method to enhance model efficiency. However, it may lead to a slight loss in model accuracy. On the other hand, quantization-aware training incorporates quantization during the training phase itself, allowing the model to learn and adapt to low-precision arithmetic. This approach typically preserves more of the model's original accuracy but requires additional computational resources during training. In this segment, we'll compare these two methods, discuss their respective advantages and disadvantages, and guide you on when to use each approach based on your specific needs and constraints. Several tools are available to assist in the quantization of AI models, each offering unique features tailored to different platforms and use cases. TensorFlow Lite is a popular choice for deploying models on mobile and edge devices due to its lightweight nature and optimization capabilities. PyTorch, with its comprehensive quantization utilities, provides flexibility and ease of use for developers familiar with the PyTorch ecosystem. ONNX, or Open Neural Network Exchange, offers interoperability, allowing models to be transferred between different AI frameworks while maintaining quantization benefits. In this block, we'll explore these tools in detail, discussing their features, advantages, and how to choose the right tool based on your project's requirements. Implementing quantization involves a series of practical steps that begin with preparing your model. This preparation includes cleaning and pre-processing data, choosing the appropriate quantization type, and setting up the necessary tools. Once the model is ready, the quantization process can commence, involving the conversion of model weights and activations to low-precision formats. After quantization, it's crucial to verify and validate the model's performance to ensure that the benefits of quantization outweigh any potential loss in accuracy. Optimization techniques, such as fine-tuning, may be applied to further enhance model performance. Finally, you'll need to consider deployment strategies that leverage the quantized model's efficiency. This segment will guide you through these steps, providing practical tips and insights for successful implementation. While quantization offers numerous benefits, it also presents challenges that developers must navigate. One of the primary challenges is the trade-off between model accuracy and performance gains, as quantization can sometimes lead to a decrease in accuracy. Hardware compatibility issues may arise, especially when deploying quantized models on different devices. Additionally, tool limitations may restrict the types of quantization that can be implemented, and performance bottlenecks can occur if quantization is not executed properly. To overcome these challenges, it's essential to adopt best practices, such as thorough testing, selecting the right quantization approach, and staying updated with the latest advancements in quantization technology. This block will explore these challenges in detail and provide strategies to effectively address them.
Evaluating the impact of quantization on model accuracy is a crucial step in ensuring that the benefits of quantization are realized without compromising the model's effectiveness. Various methods can be used to assess accuracy, including comparing the quantized model's outputs to those of the original model and conducting extensive testing using validation datasets. It's essential to balance efficiency gains with precision, ensuring that the model remains reliable in its predictions. Fine-tuning may be necessary to restore or enhance accuracy after quantization. Continuous monitoring of the model's performance post-deployment is also recommended to detect and address any issues that may arise. This segment will guide you through the process of evaluating and maintaining accuracy in quantized models. To illustrate the practical benefits of quantization, let's explore some real-world case studies where this technique has been successfully applied. In the mobile industry, companies have employed quantization to deploy AI models that maintain high performance while running efficiently on smartphones, enhancing user experiences with faster and more responsive applications. In edge computing, quantization has enabled the deployment of complex models on devices with limited computational power, such as smart cameras and IoT devices, facilitating real-time data processing and analysis. These case studies highlight the versatility and effectiveness of quantization across various sectors, offering valuable insights and lessons learned that can be applied to your projects. By examining these success stories, you'll gain a better understanding of the potential and impact of quantization in the real world.
In conclusion, model quantization is a powerful technique that can significantly enhance the performance and efficiency of AI models, particularly during inference. Throughout this video, we've explored the fundamentals of quantization, its benefits, types, tools available for implementation, and practical steps to follow. We've also discussed common challenges and how to overcome them, as well as the importance of evaluating quantization's impact on model accuracy. By understanding and applying these concepts, you can optimize your AI models for various hardware platforms, extending the reach and effectiveness of your AI solutions. We encourage you to explore further and take advantage of the resources available for continued learning in this exciting field.